What if I told you strength isn't only about lifting heavy weights, but also about explosive power? Yes, folks, strength is a multifaceted attribute. It's not merely about how much weight you can hoist above your head, it's about your ability to generate power, to move with agility, to react swiftly. Now let's talk about plyometrics. Plyometrics is a type of athlete workout that zeroes in on this very aspect of strength. It's about explosive, fast-paced movements that push your muscles to their maximum potential in short intervals. Plyometric training is designed to increase your power and speed, to make you more agile, more explosive. Imagine a sprinter at the starting blocks, the raw power they unleash in that first explosive movement. That's the essence of plyometric training. It's about harnessing that explosive force within you. It's about unlocking your garage strength. Strength is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's about power, agility, and the explosive force that plyometric training can provide. Ever wondered how athletes leap so high or sprint so fast? Plyometrics might be their secret weapon. You see, plyometric training is not just any workout. It's a specialized high-intensity training technique designed to produce fast and powerful movements. By focusing on the rapid stretching and contracting of muscles, plyometrics helps athletes improve their explosive strength, agility, and speed. It's like adding a turbo boost to your muscle power. Plyometrics, or jump training, is the golden ticket to transforming your body into a powerhouse. Imagine being able to tap into the same kind of garage strength that professional athletes swear by. Plyometrics is not just about jumping higher or running faster, it's about harnessing the full potential of your strength and taking your performance to a whole new level. Plyometrics, the secret weapon for many athletes, could just be your ticket to unlocking the true potential of your strength. Think you need a fancy gym to build strength? Think again. Welcome to the world of garage strength. This is where the magic happens, right in your own space. It's about embracing the athlete in you, without stepping outside your comfort zone. It's about transforming your garage, your living room, or even your bedroom into your personal fitness powerhouse. Now let's talk plyometrics. These are dynamic, explosive exercises that utilize the elasticity and strength of your muscles to increase power. And the best part? They don't require much space. Think jump squats, burpees, and box jumps. These exercises can transform your home into a strength-building arena. But remember, it's not about the space you have. It's about how you use it. You don't need a room full of equipment to be strong. You just need the will to push your boundaries and the courage to start. Garage strength is about making the most of what you have, where you are. With plyometric training, you can unleash your power, right in your own home. Ready to embark on your journey to true strength? You've learned what strength is, the power it holds, and the secret weapon of athletes worldwide. You've discovered how to unleash this power within your own personal space. Now, it's time to put these lessons into action. Strength is not just about lifting heavy weights, it's about power, agility, and explosiveness. Plyometric training, a method often incorporated into athlete workouts, can help you develop these qualities. Plyometrics is all about fast, powerful movements, using your muscles to their maximum potential. On the other hand, garage strength is about making the best of what you've got, right in the comfort of your own home. It's about turning obstacles into opportunities, transforming your garage into your personal gym. So, are you ready to take the next step? It's time to incorporate plyometrics and garage strength into your workouts. True strength is about power, agility, and explosiveness, and with plyometrics and garage strength, you're well on your way. Subscribe and like for more fitness insights, and let's continue this journey together.